Hello, this is Philip Nichols, and a while ago I made a video about dating methods and some of my thoughts on them. And recently, one of my friends on YouTube made a video criticizing it, and it was 70 minutes long. So we were commenting at each other in the comment section. I'm kind of a lazy typer and don't like to type out very long things. So I decided to answer it in a short little video. And actually, this video could be useful for some people who might have some thoughts about me or other creationists that may not be true. So let's read this comment. So there were several issues. One, how do you explain the consistent evidence supporting an old Earth despite variances in the methodology used? That's not where my criticism comes from. My criticism was that all the dating methods, creationist or evolutionist, have the same big three assumptions. One, assume the rate of decay is known 100% and it's constant since the rock's existence. The second assumption, assume the rock hasn't been contaminated in any way that could affect the test results. Assumption number 3, assume the amounts of the parent-daughter isotopes or exactly how the rock was when it was formed. Now, these are big assumptions, and that's why I don't like to treat dating methods as fact. Creationists have dating methods as well that I think even has a greater variance in methodology that is used. So I don't think that that is a good argument to show the validity of dating methods compared with creationist dating methods. Number 2, the radiation caused by the acceleration of the decay rates would not allow for life to survive. How do you explain that? Creationists have actually two events that could explain that. Number 1, of course, is creation. The Earth was created before life was created, so there could have been some acceleration of decay rate then, as well as during the flood in the Old Testament, the worldwide flood in the Old Testament, while God was protecting Noah and the animals on the ark. Number 3, the light from most stars are too far away to be seen if the Earth is only 6,000 years old, yet we do observe them. I'm gonna skip ahead. You can read that if you want, but I don't believe in any of the light moving quicker stuff. Now, if evidence is shown, then I would, of course, but I think that God created the universe basically like spinning a top or something like that, where God made these systems, he put them in place, working condition, and let it roll. He created the sun while it was burning. He didn't create the sun over millions of years. I think he created the starlight in place, in action. And some starlight probably not. Some starlight is probably moving towards us at this moment. Number 4 is a similar thing, and I don't believe that. Yeah, I just explained number 4. But at the end, he says, by what justification should we throw out all known physics? I don't think we should. I think physics, I don't know much about physics, but think about biology. Evolutionists and creationists agree on about probably over 99% of biology. You wouldn't think that because we're always discussing the controversial things that we disagree on. But physics is kind of similar. I mean, we agree mostly on the same things about physics. So no, let's not throw away physics. Physics is a part of science. Next thing he says is starting with a conclusion and working out excuses to fit the conclusion is not how science works. I definitely agree with you, sir. You don't start with the conclusion and then find excuses. No, that's not how science works. We can agree. We definitely agree on that one. But until my next video, I will see you guys.